3 years have passed since the Sichuan earthquake killed over 70,000 people. And today, resettlement has been completed in most of the earthquake zone. In the 4th episode of our special series, Sichuan 3 Years On, Han Bin revisits one village to see how things are unfolding. As he finds out, the big challenge is finding a job and income.
Back to normal life. Farmers from Matou village are being relocated here, some 3 kilometers away from their quake-damaged homes. The design of the new buildings comes from Taiwan architect Xie Yingjun. Xie says the actual homes, which retain the local ethnic style, closely follow his original ideas.
This is a steel structure building. The steel framework is inside and bondstone outside. This is different from traditional farmhouse buildings, which mainly used wood, bricks and cement. It's much stronger but lighter. Plus, the green concept complies with international trend.
The architect is amazed how quickly reconstruction is coming along.
I think the speed of China's reconstruction in the quake zone is unprecedented in the history of mankind. Although there's been a lot of support from outside, resettlement and reconstruction mainly depends on villagers themselves. Perhaps that's the key to success.
Matou's resettlement started before the first winter after the quake in 2008. The family of Wu Cuihua and 40 others were being relocated here. It was them we come upon Xie Yingjun. He was teaching villagers how to build the new houses with low-cost materials. Only the steel framework was up them. 3 years later, we found Wu Cuihua again. She told us the new housing is fairly comfortable, but she needs time to adapt to the changes. The family now live in a 3-story building, but Cuihua says money is still their biggest problem. And Cuihua cannot forget the past.
It was a terrible time. Life was so difficult.
This footage reminds us of the time when Cuihua's family were living in a shack.